Ways to repair a failed wiring harness in your Volkswagen in Canoga Park. In Volkswagen, a wiring harness is an assembly of cables in which wires that transmit the electrical energy are stored. The wiring harness in your Volkswagen is designed to last for a long time. However, the wiring harness in your Volkswagen is known to malfunction from time to time. It is prudent for Volkswagen owners to know the signs of this type of failure. What the wiring harness does. Volkswagen owners must first recognize the purpose of the wiring harness. This housing is important for protecting the wires of the car, preventing exposure to the outside elements. Exposed wires can interfere with how well they transmit information to sensors that alert the onboard computer. When the wiring harness is in place, all the wires stay protected by its housing. Causes of wiring harness failure. The wiring harness will be affected by normal wear and tear after being in use for a long time. This wear will often show up in the form of the harness being stiff. Extreme factors often cause the rubber material to contract and expand, affecting the flexibility of the product. This constant shift in temperatures can ruin the wiring harness and eventually make it crumble. Signs of wiring harness failure. The first sign that you may notice is that the car will not start when you turn the key in the ignition. When the wiring harness malfunctions, the necessary spark and ignition sequence will fail. Another indicator that the wiring harness does not work is flickering or dimming lights. When there is a problem with the wiring, the lighting will be inconsistent and will make it difficult to drive at night. Euro Plus Automotive will repair your wiring harness fails. A damaged wiring harness makes it dangerous to drive. You should suspect the wiring harness is failing and come visit one of our trusted mechanics. Our professional mechanics at Euro Plus Automotive are here to provide you with high-quality maintenance and repair. Contact us today to set up your appointment. Thank you.